Okay, Proton Saga VVT version. Okay, install for Onego 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing, good fitting, IPS screen, multi-angle view. Okay, good fitting casing. So you have to change the casing. The clip fixed in. Okay, connect with a Cogoo night view reverse camera, a parking camera, and also add-on install for the Cogoo front parking camera. Connect to aux video input. So this is front view parking camera. You have to manual press aux video in for front camera. Okay, radio. Select the frequency you want. Okay, long press to save it. Okay, setting control. Okay, full menu. Bluetooth call. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After that, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Equalizer. Okay, preset. Setting. Android player, go to network internet, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. System, T3L version, Android version 9, 1 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. 2020 May. Music. Okay, scroll down. Screensaver. Nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. The music or radio will keep on. Press any way to turn it on. Square icon to create apps, or wrong press for split screen function. Left right got 2 function. Okay, can play for the video. So this is video function. Okay, it's got a 2 USB extension. We put in the drawer. Okay, big screen Android player, no SD card, no DVD. Here all. Play Store, log in the Gmail to download app. You can download YouTube, Waze, Spotify. Okay, so this is Proton Saga VVT 9-inch Android GPS big screen player. Onego brand, 1 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. OEM casing, good fitting. OEM socket, plug and play. Installed by OneBiz. This is reverse camera by OneBiz. Thank you.